Hello everyone, and welcome back to 4Watt Report. If you love performance cars, bold engineering, and the thrill of raw speed, you're going to want to stick around. Because today, we're diving into Chevy's most extreme street car ever built, the 2026 Corvette ZR1X. This isn't just fast, it's outrageous. This is the next evolution of American muscle electrified, re-engineered, and reborn for the modern era. Let's start with what you can see, because the design is a statement. At the front, a low-slung nose, a wide carbon fiber splitter, and Chevy's new LED lighting signature set the tone. It's not just aggressive, it's surgical. The air intakes aren't for show, they're feeding over 1,200 horses under the hood. From the side, it's all motion. Flared arches, sharp lines, massive vents, every inch tuned for performance. The ZR1X doesn't just look fast, it is fast, and it knows it. Now around the back, it's all business. Quad exhausts scream performance. The active spoiler adjusts in real time, and the carbon fiber diffuser belongs on a race car. Everything back here says, "Don't follow me unless you're ready to keep up." This rear end isn't just about styling, it's about grip, pressure, and airflow. The ZR1X isn't just a pretty face, it's a wind tunnel weapon. Now let's talk power, because things get wild. A twin-turbocharged 5.5-litre V8 combined with an electric front axle. Together, they make 1,250 horsepower. That's 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds faster than most supercars on Earth. Chevy isn't just flexing, they're proving that American engineering is ready to go toe-to-toe with anything gas or electric. And with all-wheel drive, torque vectoring, and active suspension, it corners as hard as it accelerates. Inside, it's all cockpit. Alcantara sport seats, digital telemetry, and a flat-bottom wheel that feels ripped straight from Le Mans. The hood floats above the dash, showing live speed and torque split. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a racing-ready display all come standard. It's not luxury for show, it's tech for control. And when you're pushing this kind of power, control is everything. So here it is, the 2026 Chevy Corvette ZR1X. A hybrid hypercar, forged from American muscle DNA. With wild performance, real aero, and futuristic tech, it redefines what the Corvette badge stands for. Would you drive it? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more bold car reveals, real-world reviews, and high-speed reports. Thanks for watching 4Watt Report, and we'll catch you in the next one.